Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need iOS 15 or later and the Settings app open. First, pick the focus type you want to create: work, sleep, do not disturb, or custom, then tap Focus. Once done, choose a preset or tap the plus to make a new focus. Name it and pick an icon so you recognize it quickly. Make sure to allow essential contacts and apps now. This prevents urgent interruptions. Finally, decide whether to mirror your home screen pages to minimize distractions, even before fine-tuning rules. Next, refine who and what can notify you. Tap People and add contacts allowed to break through, choose calls, messages, or both. Then tap Apps and add the apps that may send notifications. Enable time-sensitive if needed. Once configured, customize home screen pages to hide distracting apps and set a lock screen appearance to match. Also toggle dimming or silencing badges if you prefer. This step balances accessibility with focus so you only see what matters. Finally, set schedules or automations so focus turns on automatically: time, location, or app launch. Enable share across devices to apply the same focus on your iPad and Mac. Test it by triggering the schedule or toggling focus in Control Center. If notifications still come through, make sure the correct focus is active and that Do Not Disturb or Smart Activation aren't conflicting. If contacts or apps slip through, remove and re-add them. Restarting the phone can...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.